Hey friends, we just went through the process of buying a new refrigerator from Costco. We wanted to share our experience with you. We'll take a closer look at this specific one, and then I'm going to give you guys a few tips and tricks from what we learned through this experience to help you guys save time and money. Now, this is the Mora refrigerator. It's a fairly large model. It's roughly 22 to 23 cubic feet, and it measures 33 inches across, roughly 67 inches tall, and then it's roughly 34 inches deep. So it fit our space really, really great. Can we just take time to appreciate how clean a new refrigerator is? Oh my goodness, this experience is wonderful if you've never had it before. Here's a few more specifics for this fridge. Now, Mora is a brand of Hisense, I believe. They make a lot of the TVs you may have seen in Costco. You can see it has these really cool side LED lights as well as a light up top. And then we have some smart control panels over here. We can control both the freezer section as well as the refrigerator section. It also has a super freeze and a super cool option, as well as an eco mode. And then you can actually turn the ice maker on and off in the freezer. The freezer section pulls out, and as you can see, it's fairly deep slots there, a basket, and then the ice maker is in the back over here. So overall, a really great fridge, and this was a very budget-friendly price. In fact, we purchased this one for just $699, obviously plus tax. Now here's where the first tip comes into play. We actually were able to get this for that $699 in warehouse. Now if you look online, this same fridge is going to be upwards of $950. There's an extra 250 bucks just for that difference. Now, what do you get for that extra 250 bucks? Well, you get delivery, you get your old fridge taken out and hauled away. And that is a huge, huge convenience, especially if you're having to try to muscle one of these things by yourself. Honestly, I didn't even want to touch this thing because we have our kitchen on an upstairs floor in our home. In fact, this is the hallway in our front door and then up the stairs that the movers had to bring the new fridge through. So doing that by ourselves, just my wife and I, forget it. There's no way we were gonna do that. Again, even if I had another helping hand, this is a very dangerous process going up and down stairs with a refrigerator. So that extra 250 bucks, totally worth it for somebody that wants to maintain safety and have all of this stuff just happen. Order it online, pay the extra money, they're gonna come, they're gonna deliver it, and then they're gonna take the old one away. That's the option we wanted to go, but here's the problem. It was unable to be delivered. All of the delivery options for our specific area were not available, but the refrigerator was available in our local warehouse. So this is what we chose to do. We chose to save the 250 bucks by buying it in the warehouse. They actually will load this thing onto a flatbed cart for you, bring it up to the front, you pay for it, and then we had a Toyota truck with a bed that we brought up to the front of the store, and we had two guys actually load it into our truck for us. Now remember, if you're going to lay a refrigerator down on its back for transportation, you then have to have it sit upright, unplugged for at least 24 hours. That allows all of the oil down in the compressor to drain back down where it needs to sit. And again, what can happen if you plug this in too early and that oil is not in the right place, you can actually burn out the compressor. You don't want to do that. So we got this thing home, we slid it out of the truck, got it on a dolly, got it into our garage, and let it sit for 24 hours. Now, in the meantime, I started calling around to some local moving companies, and I asked them if they were able to make the swap for us. We wanted our old fridge down in our garage and this one back up in the kitchen. And that process worked out perfect for us. We found a local moving company for $150. They were able to come to the house the next day, bring it up these stairs, make the swap, and now everything is in place, and we didn't have to go through all that extra effort of hauling a fridge up these stairs. Now, even with that extra $150 for the movers to come, we still saved 100 bucks in not purchasing it online. Now, again, for the convenience factor, I still think it's totally worth it to have Costco just do everything. Buy it online, have it delivered and swapped. But this is a really great option, and maybe it is worth it for some of you that have a truck, that are willing to do a little bit of that transportation from the warehouse back to your house, and then hire movers to do all of the extra heavy legwork for you. Again, in our case, it saved us roughly 100 bucks. So would I recommend buying a refrigerator from Costco? Absolutely. The process is actually very easy. Again, make somebody else do that heavy legwork for you. 700 bucks for this specific fridge. It's worked great so far. We've been slowly transferring all our food up here to the top from our lower garage fridge. It looks sleek. Having that brand new fridge experience is absolutely amazing. And Costco has really great prices. Hope that's helped, friends. Again, we just wanted to share our experience. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us. And then stay tuned. We make a ton of these DIY tutorial videos to help you guys save money, buy the right products, and hopefully make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.